nkomo kakra ahwe and the social media atemdidi a ekoso eni nsemu amanfo de tudwa enye nokre no what is the risk ne wo ye ne bia wo vi se o me de ya amanyosem keke me de koto ha nse me de ha MPP for se me de ha NDC for it looks like you are playing politics with the information and what they to social media what they to from but ye ehun sunsanso no so pa and he is a cybersecurity expert enye Ghana nko ba bi odi ni dwuma koso tene de ate na obeba ye nimdie wode ye wo sori a wo so camera no ana wo ye no insunsanso betumi di abrɛ Era Adomako morning.
Akwa.
Bibia boko
na wo so.
Adom ne mpai boy ye ho ye pa. Right. Ma ye nsua bibi kakra. Na no ne ya ba ye. Na behu ne video bi kura atwam a na one sofo oduru. Said you see papa yatem from ye no ani ade e ba mampani so and then there were other politicians who almost saw camera no and same be kura enye no kre na o ka e de tum from I mean what is there dey na chase we yes
answer be chase oni ma de ababa wa we ma share that hwe videos be brave
right
na concerns ni na ba e be see parental control
okay
awofo no
say ye be hwe ye
ma akra wo mo adana me hwe video bia na obi ka se na wo pese about it ye pa from the ages of 1 to 4 ade bia a wo de be hwe ni bia no den e ka ne ho
right
it is ene ye nyankra bia ye mfa ne so medro mo pani fie so kakra na mo da ne ye bia dia e ye ntete ye bi an environment mo mu na ye den amoma ene usua sociology I'll say society makes man and man makes society
okay
so they are find yourself na chere dia wo ye den oye eti enya me won wa be ma share that hwe ni videos be brave and say dia wo kan o share say wo prophet Kofi Oduro so no obi anka ho asem because so fu bi na wanya ni di na tem asofo fo de omo wahi ye ndi na tem enne ekoba president de ya che no eti de etna ho ma asem ye kese wie dru be de ntimi nkura ni biem a ne aye den ye de emra ne ye den ye adwuma and emra ne ye adwuma abra ye obi pese ye den e favor no and then the problem no
okay
onim akokwa girl we asem on ya fa ne tra de ba me hwe based on expert advice ni knowledge am word
okay
na asem ye me ya
adahi
onim news ya the to see you cover news.
Abusia bra Facebook Nhyira 104.5
DW Africa
wakokwa
say DW Africa itimi afa ababa wa we asem a publish here it tells you baby an asem aiden akodu
na say wiase
na atenenka
wow
wiase na atenenka na dey ntina baba we be sa agewi or ye because na no bi obi koye bia oba ya former vice president eba ya no hagi nipa no o man red carpet show
ya anye parent ni
o man red carpet show dey oye why dia akwaba camera ni mo and a whole former vice president of a country oye side we asem na nipa kro kan ye se bi said asem na nipa ne kan na ahomete dodo obi ahwere ne nkwa in the course of so administering social activities to the country that's why ahwere ne nkwa na nipa yi moke ewo na e ka se or we should the same for the president na ye ntimi anya vice president am na ntimi antu say yes o me party there na mo made a wuye nipa na anyoma na asem na to no wa abusua o bad achi bi o ba be say do waduri enti say wo ka bibia wo effect ye den e won so enti jai ye ntimi anya vice president am na nka sa asem we ofo an so ye den e bam no ti say ne eti atese wa MPP party ma me anya me wanwa the flag bearer na pen ene na ne say den
nti that was me mfa na say poor parenting penia wo fie no wantimi anhwe antia
o ma we nanka nti nanka refo no na ewe ono ka na kotoba no ma ye den o ma twitwa ache
okay so ye ni akwada bone ba ye betimi enya mpanimbo ne ankwada ahwe omoso
asu na say de odi ache ni sua de odi kan nantie
right
say na doctor ba omi ka ache me say on fwa sa de we sno mumu bitimi koye sa de ne e che no na oba na oha ge na me ni umienu si etina si dia dia na me dwan fa ne ho
okay
me pese producer ebo video bi how akumsin eh den ma press conference and also social media for bloggers are there all can say me afa baba wa you want say na are ho
okay okay on the okay Jeff Bomaye na mame so me nhwe wa ha na ye monitor to aso fa ne na mu kakra na ye nhwe
akokwa video ni
okay
video ni na areho sema how akum sinkae akokwa ma dwene ajewe hu a mente ase se me di wachi ana me di party achi akoye bibi ni achi me na ye say court ama me bill condition ne say o say me de property I worth 1 million Ghana cedis here den ebesi anan ana say beto etimi here den EU na me fa passport nra oni to ababa wa passport ko ni bio
sir
passport
Only passport.
Na hwe nkrofo wadi o matami. Passport be o mo na na.
Yentie how akum sen kakra.
Two sureties no I the man. Yes, not because as a politician serve you
also person here ojirem so ntimi nye den enjirem adentia or a politician on person den ho be for same way
no person ojirem
abaya one person no how akum sin jinam man ba ontimi njinam because no how akum sin a politician
ne ze de adru no
onko
de ho fra
yes the who social media so mu di na chi no mu di na chi so mu penye o mu di na chi as for political point now party the person reunion until say BBC na se member bi hu touch man na say me two member bi ni enkodi na chi a ye be ka se tiri more den ti ko no ma ko no mo mpege oni ye na ye ni ha na chama wuntumi ya chama wuntumi na ni bill condition ye say why na the property ko si a na nya politician
yeah
ye ni ya say Brian Champion na the hotel ko si a wa say ye nya de ye nyi chama wuntumi na Brian Champion do no nya politician oni ambition
ba edru abaya we su dia
and no dey politician eti mabunu mu fa ntumo hofo
na say ye wo boni bi nsem bi wa betumi akoye a wa hwe ya wunya obi anta wachi ebi na esi no me ba
so obi be bakra so ota wachi o sere oduru fi a no aka che ne ma hu na dey we dia okunsi ya che so o fa so be fa na konfi at ane na atena o fa na konfi obu obi enu ode be ma no because ene na ode aye obi fufura o chena de be ye me and ode aye obi because ya ma uska
baby so betumi atete na manasesa
akokwa mintimi ga so ntimi tete no ye mom sa video ya how akumsin ye kire adwempa owo ma akwa no
so
o using for political gains
right
kokoye ne kese e ba ye be sa begina wachi
we cannot actually conclude that but the betumi aka ne say so no person ne kotena de ye vision mu ye hunu say bianka obema na good direction and no nya nso kotena na sa abofra ne gusua ye de o ye de na it means say wantumi an control na wantumi antete ne ye nti ye besa abo no ani di mu as a politician
akokwa
do you ready there
akokwa ni ma de ko get social media handles on
okay
na ko read the comment wo ho
okay
party activist no omu ni regret bia o de ge o ya ye hu omu kwa omu bon mumu say onu kwa na ya asanto of their time
okay
to get away say ba mo be say nyankrofa sa hye ne kutupa koye biem get say on the police station they wedi ho akwani aba into abre
yeah I heard this in one of the videos some mechime na
police station they wedi ho akwani aba ma bre you see these are some of the effects of cyberbullying
okay
now ofili say ono kran de drew abrabum no obi an hye dan fa ne ho saa enti mo no so nya de obe fulfilled. Okay. And then the man for Philly said, I know your chi obi a hagi it means we vice president a hagi no. It's na the penny bi ama wa babe come on sama me hu se penny bi so ye den e hwe de me ye no. Ti ma menya na menya fulfillment.
Sure.
Now MPP say o ma petition diplomatic society of Ghana say o mo nya den. O mo mbrem na ye tieti o mo fa ahudie so. Now press freedom ye tieti aso mi busa. Cybersecurity Act 2020 why na pass here?
Yeah.
Why na wa be ma Cybersecurity Act no ye den o pass ye then your MPP it o pass so de ye den Cybersecurity Act no o pass so de ye den
yeah
act na ngasa kire say o ban tintan fidie so na o ban na be ya dia na o be kan say ma be tie obi fa hunde so be defame obi e be say obi ani monyama ana say be threaten obi abrabo a e wo say ye chi utum
Sana American.
Yes, Sana American. And you do what could jam random say fine you guilty. Near see a jailua from 2 to 15 years obet me them. Hey, one mun passes amrano.
Sa
2 to 15 years obet me them. Why mun passes amrano akokwa? Why ma?
Okay. Jail
term ranging from 2 to up to 15 years.
Wow.
Utira nye kwani asa boka kan wan mun pass ye ti ene omo na omo se ye tieti amfa wodi so no omo hye mra ne se emfa meti amfa wodi so nye den
right
you see they are not being truthful to the youth
Okay.
And omu nya bi nka ho. Omu ba bi nka ho.
Right.
It is in inform and I'm making ababawa way. So okwa embassy da chimpo. So okwa akopɛ according to obi to onya da.
So this is some of the effects ebeba no.
Onya. Edwuma bi enu obefa no. Even MPP for na ankasa, okay? Woman ankasa bi edwuma kra na gere si opa edwuma omu company omo mfa no.
Ase bi a secretary.
Omo mfa no po.
Na se ni suni ne ban ya wada
na kra omo mfa no wo ho because company bi our brand.
Yes.
Beyond politics, these politicians have their personal life.
Yes, we get now we mu ade get now we did you know ono na ye omo secretary.
Ana ye omo secretary.
Anti abeye tag bi ada wo so a.
Na president of the land wait me did na tema. Ene Ghana ha ye pedi mu odu okro mpa enye president. Na what me did president na tema ne client o ba be pe eyi na untimi did na.
Yes, a manager no kra de o.
Manager kan so be hu no kra.
Wow.
Enti obi no be den obefa na adwuma. Ade na wa ye no e wo big effect on abra so. But ene social media for na political activists ni yodum. Obeti nani no. Na wakodu mpempen so a ontimi nsa anye den ensign na chi.
There was another video ana boy bi ono so eyi nanim oya na wa share mask bi no wayi wase me soldier fo ni prosifo mi nsuro bia me tu ewo me hono mo ba me kunkum nyina me nim so wa musa video na
on akoko omo hwe Jackie Chan movie na abo mu trim so metima isa anya ma we bi unko police station na unko BNI cells down uji tum say and I show trim say wa one bema na the moment ye be chew na dia banka ba gu nsa say police station dey mu gu awodo o ye kanta back ko district police station a e bia wadanfo bi won be mo atena kanta na ade headquarters and I could be in my office. I want to say police station. The bimu go out. See, sign your man. I youth ni yeno. Freedom. Me I always say you have your freedom to speak, but your freedom of that speech now, man, it's not guaranteed.
Yeah.
And then you come on, akwa yenhwe aman wodo a womo front against sign your way now. Okay, aman me say Germany. Oh yes, sign your way. I bet me at them for 5 years.
Wow.
Yes.
Germany.
Ko yes ade no. Bet me at them for 5 years.
Wow.
Now France cried no reho kakra unma de krontia. Onim Holocaust denial.
This is what you
Okay, so every buyer German government and a state head ekunkum Jews and European phobia. Yes, say so be jina online. Now of France now who deny say ade na nsia no ko betimi achew ajelu for 1 year.
Say esi na wo si esi. Na say who chat rocket online.
Who deny say ade na nsia no ko betimi ajelu for 1 year.
Hey.
Now how wetin me make catch so o request nku president near Jaws ah. Eh anything ka national security for mu nya adwuma. Now yen hwe UK so betimi adem for 1 year to 7 years now for even being racial or religious hatred keke. But online never come see wanim na racism.
Say bi ankremofo de Christofo de wefo de oye sa esumu eyi no ubetimi adem.
Yes, and also you betimi afine no asa aka ho. Now yen hwe Canada so say ono so ba ne krom na be esa ade we bi betimi adem 5 years.
Wow.
Brazil also betimi adem 5 years. Australia the ono the say ono judge no based on our discretion. The also the many pan farmer no. They vary. Or should they need minimum and a maximum?
Judge never any more than could be about 10 years.
And then to the discretion.
Wonderful.
Now, South Society near say MPP for a petition. Only no promo also. It's a petition at the command on any day.
Oh, okay. It is a international community now.
What petition? Only no promo. It's on your day. Oh, that Umabunu. Oh, sell more Dutch and then I shaneka.
Okay.
And then I then share neka na what they call sell more make be more or more chrome na nkasa no US na say in 2025 President Donald Trump betina so
yeah
ana ma me ehunu wo hoyi awo screen you
okay
the same thing called social media e ko threaten say opesen ka obi eden eku Donald Trump they said the ababa wa
Kenya was a woman arrested charged for threatening to kill US President Donald Trump on social media. Okay, edi
akokwa question
and yachi no
akokwa question am say your democracy is everyone mo
say US for ni wo mo
any UK ana meboa na the mission dey free also no class say oh yes ade ni be onukrom obechiwa
na say ma me no ko kan say Donald Trump ka nya yenku no na president of America
ai
and yachi no
yachi no
eti bi su na si wa hai
sa pepepe
okay
na press freedom US ain't for pan press freedom you exercise press freedom pa
ti ma me ni on that so no okay
uko US even president kasa crowd me nye obi ma ne sorry e kan adwen chere president
yeah won ne nya
problem here it is for US to be able to go to that tangent so yes I do it tells you how severe this crime is enya ma me we nkwan na ne ho a chain no US o
why be
yeah brand here we are no so the same thing call inciting Crawford say ono try or bomb pie so be ku president Donald Trump ono so can we and che bia na e che no na anim brand here we dey no crowd mabunu no and I report in my state institutions no say moto na brand here side social media e dey na mo ya fa and che na e ko fa no
wow on that way okay
and check any ekofa no enti e dey na ye pese ye dada mabunu ni say aban dey or suppress press freedom akokwa mi gina hey met me criticize president Mahama mamu met me criticize MPB dwuma bi a oye den oy adentia e me taxpayers money and e dey den e di trianica met me actually na say ade we a wuye ni say within the next 5 years the next 3 years e dey oye nyo be den e beba ti me no nya adwen say oye den oye sa na mum the moment me attacking the personality me threaten the life no me free criticism ako hit speech
say bia wo be didi na tem bia ko say bia wo no ankasa say bia wo bia
me de na husuo e ka bi
bia didi na tem
me free criticism ako hit speech ene na ye mabunu ni nim no
be bia wadwuma no enye papa adwuma wo ye no nye
me timi aka say IMF amosi ya free minji ni some free IMF mo da e say ni say na me hu ni some da e wo ho watwa atro
ni nyina utimi
ba criticize the government no si say no say president ne ba no ba be chimia na state institution be chimia any their press freedom is at risk na no nche say ma fa camera data wo ho nti me say me dem me bomb pipe
sorry bia ne
say me president obi beku no why na beku no
obi meku no say no de
why na meku no
ase basa wo ko
beyond limits na ya dia ma o say den kan wa asem no
eti mabunu ni nsua say American po ye mfa saa de no
American po and America say saa baba wa we US e ma ne ngwe ho da so obekoko Australia ma ne nko France ma ne nsi ho any Schengen country be ma ne nya na adwen kra da so obekoko adentia wo mo kra mfo saa de we so na wo krom pani kra wadi na tem na me krom de na ohunya na ade be che no
na saa records we no you are an expert
okay
ye no ma we internet so saa no aya na ye free say eto da bi kra pop up
okay
tia na ye free say ayira kra enhye da endi ho me ye you free na obi ye youth ni ade na wa ya ade ato say omu a itimi free so kra ma omo hwehwe omu hu ana ntisa
akoko ntisa ma me ma won fato me the politician bi ye fato ho ama ye wa ha na ono abo kene Japan so be pray flag bearer
okay
no ba be president Abronye ma president kene Japan opportunity so on communicating my party no ono de onim so oye dwuma ma the party
right
okọ platform so ono crowd na social media okọ radio stations TV stations kana adwen extra limit no edru Abronye na adwen say sim person me di o man nanim no ono a party for kokko fast our videos ni na aye den
e
pai
nti e ka ho
enko
ti wo ya no adwen
ho ye
Adomako my final submission on that now me say we part 1
yes
we'll have part 2 on other countries ni incidents how do we be sure SCC and because of our time yemfa insio
akoko de make can say me emra ni obi ti say Abronye e dia mini problem on ho one bit say na Abronye ya jelly 30 years crime family ho because onim papa no oye den oye boni
okay
na mom emabunu na mudi o machi no emamon copy o mo blindly enjina baby nka sebi ade a wuye de obenye obi amana beso ebi na hawa kum sinkan ye no abawa ne pese obeli ne de na enso a politician
ontimi fa ne
ho for sanyo
ti beduru baby omeyiwa ma
odo ase duachi ase ye kabi ma de enso sebi na watwi ba ya udam nkwa na ye den udam oye babunu a onya opportunities na criticize the government the idea government na ye enye no CP ne ka no kra na ye den e kire no na mum enko committee hit speech enko ka asem nkotia government no personality because ono so see obi papa or obi yire or obi nya
it's true me da say
Yebra
Adomako cybersecurity aspect and what they afam to you obi a o so camera na de beba trim bia wo ya kan hunu se da ache sunsun so no eso wakwantu ho nsem kura ba bia wo fa bi kura ye so obefa wo ube pre visa na pra emfa because one sem wegu a ormabo ano no edoso enra o US enya asem ketwa kra okọ eye US ana